Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today it's Tuesday, 3rd of December, and we are on the last month of December. We are on the last month of the year. Christmas is just around the corner. You know, I can feel the music already. It looks like Christmas, and everywhere I go it's full of people shopping. So Merry Christmas everyone. And looks like it's Christmas on USA as well, because manufacturing PMI just came in higher than expected. Yeah, that's correct. And it's not only by 0.1 or 0.2, it's actually a lot higher than expected. So let's get into it this video and see if this is going to be good for US dollar or if this is going to be bad for the US dollar. So before we go any further, guys, please, it's so important that you subscribe to the channel, because the majority of people that are actually watching our videos are not subscribed. So what's the point? You come here every day, you watch good content, and then you just doesn't even subscribe to the channel. That takes like 2 seconds. You could subscribe as what I'm talking right now, right? So give us a thumbs up as well, share this content with a friend, and let's get into it. So today at 1:45 a.m. we had the manufacturing PMI for the month of November from USA. The previous was 48.5. The consensus was expected to be only 0.3 higher than the previous, so 48.8. The actual came in at 49.7, all right? And that is much higher. It's pretty much a full 1 point higher than what was expected. As well, the ISM manufacturing PMI for the month of November came in much higher than what was expected as well. Previously it was 46.5 and the consensus was 47.7, and then the actual came in at 48.4. So that's really great. This is really good for the US economy. It's showing to us that the manufacturing PMI is picking up. So basically we have two PMIs. We have the manufacturing PMI and we have the services PMI. Manufacturing PMI is everything that gets manufactured. So let's say this Apple mouse, right? This Apple mouse here was manufactured was assembled in China and designed by Apple in California. So let's say that they take all these little parts here and they assemble this in USA. This will be counted as the manufacturing PMI. Now, you go to USA, you go to Apple store, and there is someone that will be serving you to what you want. You want to buy this Apple mouse again, right? So that's the service, all right? So it's not actual from Apple, but whatever. It can be a little pub, it can be a little stadium, gymnasium, or whatever. You go watch a game, a soccer game, a football game. That's a service PMI, all right? So that counts. So pretty much it's showing to us that manufacturing PMI is building more things. It's putting things together highly on a demand. And if they are doing this, it's because they are a demand. So basically the retail sales are asking, retail industry is asking for more, and then the manufacturing have to produce more to give to services to sell. So that's pretty much how PMIs work. We can talk about that tonight on the webinar. So don't forget, it's Tuesday. We do have 5 to 6 p.m. webinar in Sydney time. So register yourself, go in the description of this video and find the link to register yourself. Otherwise, I will be sending the link as well once the webinar starts on the Telegram group. So make sure that you are registered on the Telegram group as well. It's simple, it's easy, everyone can join. The link is on the description as well. Right, so with that manufacturing PMI, with all these good numbers, is this good for US dollar? Is it bad for US dollar? How good can it be for a country? Well, it's really good, right? Because if you are an investor, you're looking for a high growth country. And if you look at the manufacturing PMI, it's pretty much telling us that yes, people are spending more and business are manufacturing more to sell to those people, all right? So basically there are a high growth demand for some sectors more, some sectors less, but still there are demand, there are growth. So if you are an investor, you're looking to place your money where there are growth, and that's exactly what is happening on USA at the moment. There is very robust data, and it's very good for investors to place money, park money at the moment. So yes, definitely the US dollar will be getting stronger in the next weeks as well. And don't forget that this week we do have the NFP is set to be much better than the previous one. Of course, previous one was 12,000. Now it's expected to be somewhere around 222,000 or 220,000. We're going to be discussing all these data points tonight. So make sure to register yourself for the webinar. Guys, I hope you could understand some sort of what is going on with the manufacturing PMI on USA. Thank you so much. If you haven't yet subscribed, subscribe yourself, give us a thumbs up, and I see you tonight on the webinar, or I see you in the next video. See you guys, bye bye.